In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the delivery address on a Shein order. If you've just placed an order and noticed that the shipping address is wrong, don't worry. There may still be time to fix it depending on the order status. The most important thing is to act quickly because once the package has been shipped, your options become much more limited. To begin, open the Shein app on your phone. Once you're inside the app, tap on Me, which is where you'll find your account section. From there, go to My Orders. This is where you can review all of your recent purchases and check the current status of each one. Next, look for the Processing tab. This is the key step because orders in processing usually have not shipped yet. If your order appears in this section, that means there's still a chance you can update the delivery information before the package leaves the warehouse. Take a moment to locate the correct order, especially if you've placed more than one recently. Once you've found the order, tap on the order details to open it. Here, you'll be able to see more information about the purchase, and if the order has not shipped yet, you may see an edit address option. If that button is available, tap it right away and update the delivery address carefully. Make sure everything is correct before saving your changes, including the street address, city, postal code, and any apartment or unit details. If you don't see the edit address option, or if you want to make sure the change is handled as quickly as possible, contact customer support or use live chat immediately through the app. This is especially helpful if the order is still processing but close to being shipped. The sooner you reach support, the better your chances of successfully updating the address. Now, here's an important note. If the order status has already changed to shipped, you usually won't be able to change the address directly in the Shein app anymore. At that point, you'll need to contact the courier service handling the package and request a reroute using your tracking number. Depending on the shipping provider, this may or may not be possible, so be prepared to act fast. That's the full process. If your order is still processing, check for the edit address option or contact support right away. If it has already shipped, your next step is the courier.